Stand 5 traffic.
Stand 5.
Are you really gonna film?
Yeah.
Colorado,
Okay,
Charles Paul, Tom,
this girl's just on the
44.
side here.
Oh, okay.
She finally woke up.
Passed out?
What's up?
Broad
Just
and
passed
Murray.
out?
Yeah, she's passed on. This is her right here. I don't even know who this girl
Oh,
is.
dang. You alright? Cops are coming. You should take off.
Sorry, what?
Cops are coming. You should take off.
1097.
80-10.
I just...
7197.
You alright?
71-97.
Yeah?
Are you,
I'm like news.
Oh, you're news. Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know. I didn't
I heard the call. Cops are on the way. You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, they're right there. They're coming. Just so you know.
I just want to see if she's okay.
Yeah,
She
for
passed
sure.
out. I didn't know. I tried to talk to her and I didn't know if she was unresponsive or not.
Gotcha.
So... Oh, so that she's supposed to be over there.
Oh, okay.
I guess. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Stand 5 is
Is this
clear
your
for a
place?
2010 Acura.
I just came home right now from work.
Oh, okay.
It's crazy. Yeah, I just didn't know if she's passed out now. She's woken up. She's just walking around the place. I don't know if she's something wrong with her.
Grab your stuff real quick.
Maybe she's looking for him. She's here. I don't think Sim had a house.
Hey, sir. How's it going? Do you know her?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
probably looking for my door.
Oh, do you know this lady?
Yeah,
Okay. Can you help her out? She
Yeah.
seems to be a little bit intoxicated.
no worries. Looking for my front door.
Okay, cool.
I'm so sorry.
You're good. You're good.
Wrong door.
No, it's no big deal. No, you did the right thing. For sure.
7175.
No, I said come on. Yeah, she didn't want to.
Sorry.
Have a good one, sir. Yeah.
Well, that was weird.